Hey again. Let me bring down my sunglasses because there is a lot of reflection going from them, so it doesn't disturb you. Thanks for tuning in. And again, this week's video is gonna be really simple and quick. You can hear the river flowing, and it's kind of intense. I would love to jump into it. It's a bit cold, and it would be a nice challenge to have on this nice sunny day. But yeah, intentional friction, what does it mean? So we have mapped our own digital footprint. If you haven't done so, please go watch my previous videos. I was talking about it, and this brings a level of self-awareness, of awareness of our digital footprint and how we are producing it. So we know what types of categories of apps we have installed into our phones and we are using on a daily basis. And we have also deleted some accounts. We have deleted some social media apps and accounts because we realized that they don't have a positive influence during the day. And some of the social media and addictive apps with infinite content, we have decided to keep it because there is some level of value that they bring, and we would love to keep using them. And that's where the intentional friction comes into play. And really, we could leverage some system that would help prevent those apps having grabbing too much attention from us. So what would I do? Whenever there is this social media app or app with infinite content, I would decide whether it makes sense to install it or just keep it in the desktop version. Keeping it in the desktop version is the best case scenario in my view, as we have to go through this process of sitting down on a chair, turning on the computer, and then we can open this app. So there is this friction already. It's not, this app is not one click away from us. So, but whenever we decided to keep it installed because it may be better, it may have better user experience on the mobile app than on the desktop version. That may be a feasible reason to keep it installed. Or there may be another reason you might have, I would keep it installed, but remove the notifications totally and background refreshes of the app so it doesn't ping me during the day. Usually the type of content that comes out of it is not so important that I would need to react immediately. So there is a set space during the day where I would open it and intentionally scroll through that app, so notifications go away. And then there is a layer which means that we lock the application when we hide it from the home screen of the phone. So that means that it's not possible to just click on the icon on the desktop. The app is hidden. We usually don't think about it, but it pops up in our head during the day, and whenever that's the case, we have to make work to open it. We have to show up with our face, authenticate either with passcode or our face, and then we can open the app. And there is this friction, intentional friction, that helps us preserve our attention to to remain in the present moment as much as possible, because that's the objective we are optimizing for by living free with tech. We are essentially living as people were living before the technology age and the internet age. They were in the moment, naturally in the moment, but technology hijacked our attention. And thank you for watching me right now, because this is a signal to me that this journey is not just me thinking that these systems are useful. It's really you appreciating the systems and seeing value in them. And I think this technology age deserves a lot of such solutions that help us preserve our attention and help us keep it in the moment. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm thankful for each and every one of you who is watching, and I would love to build this community where we talk freely about systems that help us preserve our own attention and take control of our digital footprint, elevate the level of privacy we have in this constantly connected world of modern tech. Thanks again. I'm gonna continue my hike today, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.